What if I told you that your garden's spring beauty, the colors, the fragrance, the life actually depends on what you do right now, in November? Shocking, right? Most people think winter is a time to forget about the garden. But here's the truth. The best gardeners don't wait for spring, they build it in the fall. Skip these next steps, and your garden could struggle for months. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the one simple task that almost everyone ignores, yet it's the secret behind every thriving spring garden. November feels quiet. The air turns cold, leaves scatter, and it's easy to say, I'll start again in spring. But nature doesn't stop working, and neither should you. Beneath the soil, roots are still alive, preparing for the next burst of life. What you do now decides how healthy, colorful, and strong your garden will be when the snow melts. So let's get into these 10 essential garden tasks for November. And trust me, number 10 might surprise you. First up, cleanup. Start by clearing out dead plants, weeds, and fallen leaves. Don't leave them to rot. They attract pests and trap diseases. A clean garden bed helps the soil breathe again. Think of it as a fresh start before a new season of growth. Second, rake and recycle your leaves. Most people throw them away, but those leaves are gold for your garden. Shred them and add them as mulch to protect roots from frost, or toss them into your compost bin for rich nutrients later. Third, pruning. But careful, don't overdo it. Only remove dead or damaged branches now. Big pruning can wait till late winter. Light pruning keeps your plants strong without shocking them. Imagine it like a winter trim, not a full haircut. Fourth, plant your spring bulbs. November is the perfect moment for tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Get them into the ground before it freezes. They'll settle in and surprise you with color once spring arrives. Every bulb you plant now is a promise waiting to bloom. Fifth, feed your soil. Loosen it, remove leftover roots, and mix in compost or organic matter. Good soil isn't just dirt, it's living energy. When you give it nutrients now, it rewards you later with strong, healthy plants. Here's a tip. Check your soil pH before adding fertilizers so you don't overdo it. Sixth, start composting smart. November is prime time for compost setup. Mix green materials like veggie scraps with brown ones like dry leaves. Keep it moist but not soaked. And here's a secret, turning your compost once a week speeds up the magic. By spring, you'll have the perfect natural fertilizer. Here comes a quick pattern interrupt. Did you know skipping even one November task can delay your garden's growth by weeks? Most beginners do everything right, but forget this next part: protecting their tools. Clean your pruners, shovels, and trowels. Wipe off dirt, oil the metal, and store them dry. Rusty tools spread disease faster than you'd think. 8. Cover sensitive plants. Use burlap, mulch, or frost cloth to protect perennials and young shrubs from harsh winds. A little cover now saves you from replacing plants later. This is especially important if you live in colder states or get early snow. 9th, water wisely. Even though it's cool, your evergreens still need hydration before the ground freezes. Water deeply once a week if there's no rain. Plants that go into winter thirsty often come out weak in spring. The final task that hardly anyone talks about, yet it's the most powerful step of all. This one doesn't require tools, compost, or even gloves. Ready? It's planning ahead. Take a few minutes to imagine what you want your garden to look like next year. Sketch it out. Mark where you'll grow vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Planning now helps you buy the right seeds and avoid last-minute chaos. This mental prep is what separates casual gardeners from true pros. So, there you have it, your 10 essential garden tasks for November: clean up, recycle leaves, prune smart, plant bulbs, feed the soil, compost wisely, protect tools, cover plants, water deeply, and plan ahead. Each one builds the foundation for a healthier, brighter spring garden. Don't wait for the perfect weather. It's already here, waiting for you to take action. Because next March, when your garden wakes up in full color, you'll smile knowing it all started in November.